This is a mat workout for upper body strength and definition. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll begin on our knees, arms at the side, and if knees aren't comfortable, you can be in a long sit position or standing. With an inhale, go ahead and shrug your shoulders up to your ears and exhale back down. Let's continue with a few more of those. Inhale up, exhale down. Great. Core is tight. We're sitting up straight, using the trapezius, the neck muscles, to shrug the shoulders up, and then engaging the lats and the serratus, the muscles down here along the side, to bring those shoulders back down. Let's go two more. Good, and now with an inhale, bring the arms up overhead and back down. Inhale up. As the arms come up, feel the shoulder muscle rotate. Careful not to overarch the lower back as the arms come up. Great job, last one. And let's bring it halfway down so the arms are straight forward. And now we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together and release. Good. Let's go for 5. Squeeze and release. Keeping that core tight. Engaging the middle back muscles, the lats, the rear delts. 2 more. Great, keep those arms where they are. Now let's open the hands and bring them out wide. Stretching through the chest and back. Good, and again. Inhale, open wide. Exhale back. 3 more. Good, last one. And let's keep the arms out wide in line with the body. And we're going to rotate the palms back and rotate them the other way. Great. Let's do 5 each way. Nice stretch through the arm and the bicep, the shoulder. Keep breathing, keep sitting up straight. Belly nice and tight. Good, last one. And bring the arms down. Let's come into a 4-point position. So hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. And again, we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together and back to start. Good, keep that belly tight, pulled up and away from the mat. I want all parts of the hand and fingers contacting the mat evenly. Last one. Good, and from a strong starting position with the core tight, slide the right arm out, reach the fingers long and back. Good. Extend the left arm, reach those fingers long and back. Let's keep going. I want that belly nice and tight. Hips are stable, spine is stable. Strong in the arm. Keep that right one straight. Go ahead and lift it up in line with the body and down. Let's go for 10. Up, down. Keep those fingers reaching long. Great job. There's 5. 5 more. Two more. And back. Now the left arm reaching long. And raise it up and down. Good. 9 more. Exhale and lift. Inhale back down. There's 5. Two more. Last one, good. Bring it back. Now right arm, reach it behind you, palm facing the mat, elbow straight, and bring it up and down. Good. Let's go 10. We're engaging the rear delt as well as the lat, the sides of the back. Keep those fingers reaching long. There's 5. Good. Last one. And arm back. Now left arm reaching back behind. Keep that arm straight, palm facing the ground, and lift it up and down. Up and down. Good. Flexing the rear shoulder and the lat. Using all those back muscles on the left side. 5 more. Last one. Good. Now let's bring the knees a little farther back and come down onto the forearms. Legs are on the mat, but the belly's pulled up and away from the mat. No sagging in the lower back area. Belly pulled tight. And we're going to exhale, extend the right arm straight. And back, inhale. Exhale, extend the left arm. And back. Great. Let's go 5 on each side. Keep that belly tight. Shoulders strong. Don't sink in between your shoulders. I want those back muscles engaged. Good. Last one. Great. Now extend the right arm and give me up for 10. 2, 3. Great job. Nice and slow. Flex up and slowly down. There's 5. Keep that left side strong. 2 more. Good. And back. Extend the left arm. Up. Up. Good. For 10. Five more. 9 and 10. Good. Bring that arm back. Let's go ahead and rest the forehead on the top of the hands. From that position, gonna squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift the head and chest up off the mat and back down. Good. For 10. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's keep that belly tight. Squeeze the shoulder blades and use those upper back muscles to lift the head and chest off the mat. 5 more. Great job. Legs are straight. Belly's tight. And lift a little higher up. 2 more. Great job. Last one. And come down and let's rest for a moment. And you can rock the hips from side to side or whatever feels comfortable. And then let's come back into a nice starting position with the core tight and head resting on the hands. So again, we're going to keep the elbows back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, come up, and this time bring the arms and elbows down and back up and down. Good. And let's do 10. Great job. 5. Come up a little higher this time. Engaging that back Feeling the lats contract as the elbows come down towards the hips. Two more. Last one. Great job. Let's bring the arms down to the sides. Palms are facing the mat. And we'll move into the next exercise, counting in hundreds, counting repetitions. So that'll be 5 repetitions on the inhale, 5 repetitions on the exhale, 5 repetitions on the inhale, 5 repetitions on the exhale for a total of 100. And we'll be in our up position here. Here we go. Coming up, squeezing the shoulder blades, palms facing the mat, and let's begin padding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl a little higher. Good job. Feel those back muscles. Feel the rear shoulder. Keep padding. That's 8. And here's 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's come all the way down. Great job. Rest for just a moment. And then let's bring the palms up just outside of the shoulders. Shoulder height, but just outside of the shoulders. So your hands will likely be just off the mat. And we'll move into a push-up. I'm going to stay on my knees. We can also come up into a full plank position for the push-up as well. So beginning here, inhale to prepare, exhale, push up, inhale down. Let's do 10. Exhale up, inhale down. There's 3. Coming all the way down, lightly touch the chest to the mat and press up. Keeping that belly tight. Good job. Last one. Good, and come back. Let's sit back in a child's pose. With the legs wide. Allow the bottom to sink in between the feet. And back, laying down on the mat. This time let's bring the hands just inside the mat, so right underneath the shoulders. And we'll be doing the push-up again with the hands in close like this. It'll be working the triceps. Inhale to prepare, tighten the belly, exhale, push up. Good. Inhale down. Exhale up, we're working the triceps. Keep those elbows in close to the body. Great job. Five more. Slowly down with the inhale and flex up with the exhale. Good. 2 more. Last one. Good, and let's bring the knees underneath. Come into a seated position with the knees slightly bent and sitting up straight. Arms behind, fingers pointed back. Inhale, lift the chest up to the sky, open the shoulders, and exhale back to start. Let's do 5 more. Inhale, open the chest to the sky. Exhale back. Good job. Last one. Good, and now bring the arms in front, sitting up straight. And exhale to rotate to the right. And back, inhale to center. Exhale, rotate to the left. Back to center, great work. Let's continue. Total of 10 on this exercise. Nice spinal rotation. Always important part of the upper body workout. Here's the last one. Good, and feet go straight. Let's bring those arms right to our side. Fingers pointed out. Inhale, exhale, lift into back support. Inhale back down. Good, we're going for 10. Exhale up. Inhale down. Good. Keep those back muscles strong. Triceps engaged. Pause to regrip if needed. 5 more. Great job, keep breathing. 2 more, almost there. Here we go, last rep. Good, and let's bring it down. Let's bring the knees a little bit closer. Take the left hand, put it on top of the right foot. With that arm nice and relaxed, press down on the right foot to get a stretch all through the left side, the shoulder, the back. We worked all that. Great job, and now the right hand on the left foot. And with that right arm relaxed, press down on the left foot to stretch through the right side. I thank you for joining me for this workout. Please make sure to share and like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you at the next workout.